In this video, I'm going to be giving you all the information about the TripAdvisor program, how you can actually use this website in order to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TripAdvisor in order to earn money with it. What we're going to be doing is that I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about the TripAdvisor affiliate program. Just in case that you don't know, well, affiliate marketing, it's a business model in which we have tons of companies out there who are willing to pay us a commission in order to promote their products and services. In this case, I'm going to be talking about TripAdvisor. Let me share with you my screen because there's a couple of things that I want to make sure that I'm going to be sharing with you. First of all, like what exactly is TripAdvisor. But I'm pretty sure that you already know about it. Sometimes even way more. TripAdvisor is actually a website that is really popular. It's actually in different languages, and a lot of people use it when they are planning to go on vacation. To book hotels, to discover activities, to check on restaurant flights, and so on. So they have like different packages, and sometimes they do have discounts. So it's actually a really, really popular website that people check on, because people, they don't have to overthink, right? They just choose the city that they want to go. They can do a quick search here and, they can actually go for the experiences. Okay. So I want you to take that into consideration. Now, they do have an affiliate program in which regular people, can have the opportunity to earn money by promoting their products. For example, here it says, what is TripAdvisor affiliate program? Well, literally you can partner with the world's largest travel site and help your users discover great ideas to their trips. So if you're someone, who loves to travel, who love to do some research about different places, or you're recommending people, accommodation and all this stuff, definitely TripAdvisor is going to be with you or something that you're looking for. Okay, you are going to earn a steady revenue from stream hotel traffic and provides user access to rich content spanning 795 million reviews. Okay, so as I told you, well, it's a really popular website. One really cool thing about TripAdvisor commission structure is the fact that you're going to be earning a minimum of 50% commission. Okay, so literally you're going to join their program by clicking here where it says get started. Okay, and you're going to have your special link. So every single time someone, make a purchase, use your link, which is called your affiliate link, you are actually going to be earning a minimum of 50% commission. Okay. Also, that people are actually making a research, and if for some reason they don't make the sale right away, they have what we call a cookie. So that means that people can have 40 days. This is a 40-day window, so they can actually make the purchase and you are going to be earning the commission. Okay. So how much money actually you're going to be earning? Well, it depends on the amount of traffic that you're going to be sending. And I'm going to be telling you more about that in a moment. For example, we have publisher one, which is 170. This person actually sent 170 clicks. It's earning, in this example, $60 per month. Publisher two sent over 6,000 clicks. It earned over $1,000. Okay. And here we have, for example, publisher number three, which sent 870 clicks. It's earning $550 per month. Okay. The amount earned per click depend on the factors like the given booking partners, the hotel, the seasoning, and the length on stay. So the more people use this website like to book from the hotel activities, and all of a sudden if they are actually doing it in high season, you're going to be earning a better commission. So This is actually how they actually go. They partner with Commission Junction, which is CJ. CJ has been around for a really, really long time. So you're going to choose a network partner. Okay. They do have actually a lot, and like three that you can actually join. Okay. So they manage everything, all the commissions, the tracking, and all that stuff. And you can actually join for free. Okay. So you're going to be searching on the network for TripAdvisor. You're going to have your links. Okay. So that's in a sense how does this actually works. Okay. If you're asking me, like Diana, I'm actually a complete beginner. Okay, I'm actually a complete beginner. This is something that I'm interested. Maybe you have the regular 9 to 5. Maybe you're looking, to have a side hustle. Maybe you would like to earn, some extra income. And making money online is actually a possibility. Definitely, this is for you. So, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Now, how I will promote this if I were you, okay? Because this is something that I like. I really love affiliate marketing because it gives me the opportunity to replace not one, but actually two full-time jobs. But, you have to do it the right way. So I will create a system and I will give something away for free. Okay. Okay. So let's say this is going to be my page in which I'm going to be giving something away for free. And then I will actually send them to TripAdvisor. Okay, I'm gonna put this actually in another color. Okay, this is TripAdvisor. Here we where we actually earn the money. So this is how this actually works. I will give something away. In this case, I will be giving away a guide. Okay, it can be a vacation guide, but I will be specific. So like these guides help these kind of people. Maybe, people who are looking, to get an adventure, or I can actually check on something like, hey, maybe I can go with people who want to spend some time in Vegas, for example. And you can actually write up a guide about that. Now, nowadays, we can actually do this using ChatGPT to help us. Okay. Don't copy and paste the information. Use it as a guide and, put your sense there. The cool thing is that people are going to give us their name, email address in exchange of the guide. And with that said, we can start sending emails, not only about Vegas, but maybe we can also send them information about Amsterdam and all this stuff. And people are actually going to click and, we're going to be sending them right away to TripAdvisor and to other programs. We can do this as well, as long as they are related to the travel niche. Okay. And don't worry about creating this. You can actually create it for free by using the link below. You're going to be using this tool, which is called System.io. With System.io, this is an all-in-one marketing solution. So you're going to have the opportunity to create, and this is what we call a simple funnel, literally just one page. And you can do email marketing. You can start for free. The only thing that they're going to ask you, it's for your email address. Okay. That's it. They're not going to ask you for anything else, just for your email address. And you're going to open your account. Once you open your account, now what you can actually are going to be doing, as you can see, I actually use it. Okay. You're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. And then you're going to click here where it says create. Okay, here you're going to put the name. It's just for your use. It can be TripAdvisor funnel, travel funnel, okay, free guide. It's just for you to see it here. Then you're going to have your domain, okay, which is going to be the name.com, the name.net. You can actually connect it. You can, by the way, the thing that I'm showing you right now, you can do that just with the free account. Then you're going to click here where it says build an audience. And now you are going to have the pages that you actually need. Okay. And I can actually do this, a little bit more professional, the way that I will actually do it. I will remember promise the guide here. Then I can have something that we call the bridge page, in which I'm telling them like, hey, you know what? The guide that you asked me, I'm gonna be emailing it to you. But if you're really serious about and want to learn more about Vegas, with the best accommodation and all the stuff, check this. And this is actually gonna be TripAdvisor. So you're gonna have two pages here. Here, you're with this one, you're gonna capture their email. One cool thing that I really like about System IO is that they give you, these templates, and you don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a designer, and this is a drag and drop builder. Literally, if there is an element that you would like to delete, you are going to be deleting it. If you want to add more elements, you can actually do it. So this is actually really, really cool. And remember that you can actually build the guide using ChatGPT. And what about the design, Diana? Okay, you can use Canva. Okay, literally, you can use Canva, and you can put that you're gonna find an ebook template, and you're gonna put the content there. That's it. Okay, super easy, super simple. Now, we will need to have eyeballs, okay? And we know that people are on social networks. So you can have a YouTube channel in which you're going to be sharing information. This can be short form content or long form content. You can use an Instagram account like this one. You don't have to show your face. Okay. These are literally people sharing images and videos. You can also do this. Okay. You can have a TikTok account in which you can actually share short form content. Okay. You can also use Facebook and so on. Okay. So this is actually really great. And by using this strategy, this is a way I was actually able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs, because this system is actually working for you 24/7. The thing is that most people do it all wrong because they say like, okay, I'm going to start creating content, but I'm going to send them right away to this page. And then they're upset because people are not purchasing right away. Think about yourself. You're not with the credit card like, hey, everything that shows up, I'm going to buy it. No, what you're looking is first you're doing the research. Okay. You're going to be glad if you get more information. This is what we're doing here with email marketing. And if you decide like, hey, maybe Vegas is not for you, you're also open to other places. Okay. And maybe you decide to go to Vegas. This is actually the example that I give on this video. And you're like, hey, I enjoy you so much because these people give me this guide, and they gave me all the steps that, maybe, you got a recommendation, or you sent me a recommendation like about Amsterdam. I was like, man, I never thought about going to Amsterdam. I'm going to book this, this flight and the accommodation and all the stuff because this person is providing me a lot of value. So if you want to learn more about this, okay, how you can actually do this steps by step, I'm going to be leaving a link below. By the way, guys, I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.